Hey everyone, it's Tattoo from Folklores. What a crazy couple of days it's been here in San Antonio and in the great state of Texas. We've had our first major snowstorm. It wasn't even a snowstorm; it was a winter storm, and it was just nuts. People lost electricity, people lost water, some people lost both. All bridges and highways were closed. The city shut down. It was such a scary thing. Our local grocery store. There was a line. There's lines to get in, And here in San Antonio, we're not accustomed to that. We're more of we'll take all the heat. We're more of a, hot city, and it was just crazy to see, the way it went down and the way the city wasn't ready, the way the state of Texas wasn't ready, and it's just scary because when this happens again, and this is just only a couple of days. Imagine if this went on for a whole winter season, then what? But amongst all this, there's a lot of beauty, right? Well, a lot of us have never seen snow. We got to deal with it for a little bit. I know that but it's funny is that we liked it for a couple of days, and that was it. We're kind of like, hey, we're done with snow here, So some of the footage that I'll share with you is some of us just driving around, checking out the snow, and then I also went into one of the grocery stores to check out how there's nothing. Everyone went into a frenzy and snagged everything, and automatic. And this is like when the pandemic hit, the same thing. Everyone just bought a tremendous amount of stuff, and and it's sad because for the most part, the city of San Antonio, we care about each other. On Facebook, you see a lot of people trying to barter for stuff. People are looking out for each other, But the other percentage of people are more of, let me be greedy and take everything. Let me buy everything. Let me hoard everything, and that has a drastic effect on the way the rest of us are trying to get through these days. Thank you for those who have subscribed to watch our videos. I promise the quality is going to get better as we evolve, as we get to go out and do more shootings. And if there's anything you want us to check out, you want us to talk about, please hit us up. Like I said, I'm doing this video right now more for historical purposes. So later on, a couple of years, we'll look back and be like, man, we learned from our lesson, or did we not learn from it? Well, anyway, you guys be safe out there. Stay warm, and please, while you're out, do small things with great love, because all we have is each other. Peace. It's crazy to see all the snow, right? Like San Antonio, we had snow a couple of years ago. Yeah, but a couple of years ago, it didn't snow like this.
Right? No, it doesn't. It never sticks.
Yeah, but it's crazy because now, like in Texas, San Antonio especially, we're not used to the snow. We're used to the heat. I'll take a 120-degree day any day. But this, we have no idea. No one has water. No one has electricity. It's been nuts for us.
We don't have water. We don't have electricity.
Yeah. My brother from Seattle called to make sure, hey, yeah, all these tips, hey, don't do this, and this. This is nuts for us. Look at this. Who knows when we'll see this again? So we're at Brackenridge Park. This is where everyone comes to for Easter, when you're about to roll out for your Sunday stroll. When you go to the zoos, you come hang out over here with your family for the park. People come fishing in this little river right here. They stock this river with a lot of trout. But now look, it's just, let's see if I slide. That too, we don't know how to drive on the streets. Man, in San Antonio, we don't know how to drive anyway. And then add ice to it in the snow. Hey man, is this guy walking like a duck?
Oh, wow.
yeah, it's craziness. This is all documentation. So, buddy, let's go on. Man, look at this. I'm in San Antonio and it never snows like this. This is like our third time since I've been alive that we've had snow. The first is when I was a little kid. Barely remember that. Then it snowed like 2 or 3 years ago. But it wasn't a lot. It was like, look at this. It's so cold. Cheers up. All the ducks are over here on the street. They're all chilling. Way too cold. We're not used to this. Look, it's all ice over there. We're over here at, see, look, I don't even know. Should I just follow this trail that this guy's on? I'm gonna walk right here. Oh, look. But yeah, there's the Breckenridge Bridge. But if you're from here, or you're from San Antonio and you have some crazy stories, we want to hear them. We want to hear like, hey, this happened. Hey, like I was driving down I was driving down Military Drive, crossing the bridge that goes to, that crosses the San Antonio River right there by Espada Park. And I slid through all the lanes. Thankfully, no one was out yet, But I want to hear your scary stories, a lot of people, I know a lot of my cousins were out of electricity and water for days. We're out of water. We just got ours back yesterday. So we're thankful for that. These goat dogs. Oh man, but they're hella mad. All right. Well, I just want to do this video just for historical purposes. I want to remember this for years to come, how crazy it was here, and how crazy these ducks are out here. Hopefully I don't get, there's a lot of them. Look at him. That's probably the leader over there. Get the fat guy. He has crackers in his pocket. Look at this. All right. Till next time, guys. Bye. Hey everyone, it's Tattoo. So I ventured out. We need stuff for the shop because we're gonna open tomorrow. The snow, most of it's melted. It's still cold, but it's manageable. But what I wanted to say was I'm here at HEB over here on the south side, and there's nothing. There's like no milk. There's almost nothing. I got the bare minimum. But on the way out, they were giving out roses. Well, they're giving out flowers, and I asked the guy, I was all like, hey, what's up with the flowers? Are they leftovers from Valentine's? And they were kind of like, nah, we felt really bad that we didn't have any, that we ran out of all this stuff. And, right now people could use a little love. And that really touched me that, a big company like HEB, a lot of people could say whatever they want to say about them, but they were always there through all the stuff we went through this past year, and it I don't know. It just touched my heart, and I figured, I just wanted to post this. And whoever works at HEB, yeah, guys, they're doing really great. You guys are heroes. I saw a lot of ugly people, being very ugly to a lot of the employees, and it's not even their fault, But anyway, if you're out and about, you go to HEB, show some love, show some respect, love thy neighbor. Peace, guys. Laters.